Okay guys, I have here brand new BMW 8 Series 850i. I will show you how to remove this tail light and also another one on the trunk. Push pin, use the pry tool, take that one and from this edge and then end, pull it up because it has the 3 leg going to the bumper. Okay, for get off the light, it has the 3 nuts, size 8mm. One, it's here, you have to remove them, disconnect this one. Okay, as you will see, you can see one bolt here, one nut here, another one gonna be in this hole here, and the last one all the way at upper part of the fuse box. Use the tool like this one has the magnet, so you're not going to drop the nut.
Okay, one out. Another one. Two is easy to remove, one is really heavy.
So finally I pushed this cover out too, and then now more room here to remove that nut. Hopefully I'm not drop it. Oh, last one. And then now you can get the light off. And underneath it have the this one is like Porsche style, has in the lock coming down and then push in the middle, slide it out. So this is for the light, and then we're gonna go for trunk now. Okay, for this light on the trunk, first actually you need to remove this trunk cover. I already did. It's super easy. It's just no any bolt, anything, just stick with the, I think 6 or 8 of those push pin. Then you have to go in, you will see one size 20, another one here, and another one gonna hide behind this cover. So I'm gonna first remove this cover. So to remove this plastic, you need to grab it and slide it to your face. Like this. Those are hooks going in. Don't make me laugh. My friend making joke at me. Anyway, so yes, another one is here. 2 already I show you. Another one here. So that is the last one. Okay, rest of it in my hand. Then it's free of the bolt here, having the big plastic around here, so you cannot grab it forward. You have to slide it to the left a bit like this, and then remove it. These are gonna be hidden behind the trunk, and then connector is same, and push this pin, it's gonna come off. That's the way you can remove the trunk light and also tail light of the BMW 8 Series.